Alright, I have another Den Brass challenge lock. This one is the Evil Yale number 2. Here's the key. This is a 6-pin lock. Works surprisingly well. Could be tough to get the key in, but that's kind of expected. I like this mortar cylinder, all the stamps and everything on there. Very cool. This is a pretty difficult lock, so hopefully I can get it in one go. You can use a Sparrow's SS Dev hook with my cool handle. I'm really happy with the plasti dip. Right. Could use a better name. Alright, so the only way to pick this guy is from the bottom of the keyway, or else there's just no way you're going to get your pins lifted up. Because of the challenging bitting. Alright. He's good. I think I got pin 4, but pin 1 fell. So did pin 6, and then something else fell. There we go. Open. Very good. That was one of my quicker times. Alright, so now we'll see what's in here. Gotta take the tail piece off. Alright. Yeah, I like this old core. All these old numbers stamped in there. Very cool. Alright. I think there's a little wafer or something in there in 1, 2, in chamber 3. I don't know if you can see that. I'll take a look at that for a second. Alright. Yeah. Okay, I'll take the key pins out first. Let's see what we got in there. Yeah, I don't know what that little piece is. I think I might have broken off from a driver. I'm not sure. Oh, that was it. And that was in chamber. Yeah, that was in there, chamber 3. It's a little piece of metal. It's like a little point, little cone shape. Oh wow, look at that one. That's a great looking pin. Alright. Don't have a wafer in it. It didn't affect the picking. What the drivers look like. Oh wow. This came out like such. Very deep cut spool type pins. All the springs are working pretty well. Very deep spool. Alright. I think this broke off the end of, I can't get it, the very tip of here. I think that was on the end. Like this. I think. That's the only thing I could think of. I don't think it really affected the picking at all. This one catapulted out. The good part about making your drivers out of key pins is that if they come flying out, I always know which direction they go in. You know, this is going to obviously point up. So they always have arrows built into them. Although this guy didn't. I think this was pointing downward. Oops, sorry. And I don't think it broke off of that side. I think it broke off of this side. I'm pretty sure. Not 100%. But it wasn't chamber number 3. Alright, those are all the pins. Wow, this one is diabolical. This was sent back in time. Yeah, this is the future of lock technology here. Yeah, that's incredible. All the, it's not really showing up too well, but very nice serrations. Alright, and I think everything else is pretty much standard here. Springs are all good. Worked well. Alright, I think I'm going to leave it at that. Here's another look at the key. It's incredible. Alright. Well done, Den Brass. Thank you for the challenge locks. This one will go out to somebody, I'm not sure. Thanks for watching, everybody, and happy picking.